I farted on you. Today we're going to be vlogging. My boyfriend is watching the Meek Mill documentary right now, so sorry if it's loud, but I just colored this wig. So this wig is actually sliding back, but I'm about to put on my pink one from Eullair. So cute. It's already pre-plucked. I just plucked it some more. So we're about to go get my nails done. I'm about to go get my nails done, and when I get back, I will apply this wig. It's about to be popping off. Let's go. So guys, I'm thinking about after I do my hair pink, I'm gonna install it, and then I'm thinking about wearing like all pink today and getting my nails pink. And then I think I'm gonna surprise my boyfriend to dinner at a really nice restaurant with like a city view and all that. So yeah, I think we better do that after I get my nails done and apply this wig from Eullair. I hope I'm pronouncing it right, but the hair feels so good. It's so soft. So you guys will see me talk more about it once I put it on. So for the meantime, let's go get these nails done. So right now I'm about to go to my P.O Box and see if people sent me stuff, because I got some stuff I gotta post on Instagram for different companies and stuff. So let's go to my P.O Box and see if this stuff has came. So if you want to send me anything to my P.O Box, the P.O Box address will be in my description box. Oh my god, see, it's healing, y'all. But my P.O Box information will be in the description box of this video if you want to send me anything. However, understand I normally post on my Insta story stuff that people send me, but if you want me to post like on my page or my YouTube or whatever, contact me so we can set something up. Okay guys, so we're still at the nail salon. I got Wayne doing my nails. He used this brush on my nails, y'all. He's so ghetto.
Yeah, bro.
Tell him, bro. Say period.
I'm a hood rat, period.
Period. He's like, he's a hood rat, period. But I got the whole nails today, so. See y'all when I get in the house. Okay guys, so this is the finished look of this hair. I absolutely love it. I cut it a little bit so it could look more full, but I love it. And remember, this hair is from Eullair. Like, it's so freaking pretty. Babe, do you like it? So yeah, and I ended up getting my nails pink, guys. It's a piece of hair on my face. What the fuck? But yeah, so I would definitely give this hair a 7. Super cute. I'm gonna put all the info to the hair in my description box.
You give it a 7?
Yep, a 7. I only give it a 7 because I don't like how the part is super short. I wanted it to go back a little bit more. And I also give it a 7 because because the ends were like really like stringy, so I had to cut it to make it look fuller. But I absolutely love it. Eullair. How do you pronounce it? Eullair hair. So I'm about to get dressed so we can go out. Okay. Awesome.
You gotta set the camera somewhere. They're gonna take a whole bunch of those.
I'm not taking a picture.
Yeah.
Somebody's gonna take a picture of us when we go out. Look at my vlogger, you guys.
Oh, you like that I'm trying to do it, don't you?
Mm-hmm. Oh shit. He's lit, y'all. Alright.
Baby looking good, ain't she? God damn.
You too, baby. Let me go put on some perfume. I farted on you. joking, y'all. But yeah, we about to go out to eat and get some food and some vibes. My baby's Eddie looking good. Where's your shirt from, baby?
You got it on, right?
Hold on, let me get it on you. Where's your shirt from?
Oh, I got this from
Diesel?
what, my shirt?
Is that Diesel?
No, I got this shirt from Boyd's.
Boys. Ooh. Okay.
I forgot what it's called though. I don't even know the name of it. I just
P.S.
liked it.
Paul Smith.
I don't know what it is.
Okay, jeans.
Little G-store.
Okay.
Stores. Nice little J.
Danny got me lit.
Yeah, my boy Danny on a piece.
Yeah, guys. So we better go out. Make sure y'all subscribe to his YouTube channel. Huh?
We ain't make it yet.
I know, but I'm gonna put the link in the bio. What was you about to say? You said Ayo. He's lit,
Oh,
y'all.
yeah, get with me, man. You know.
He's lit,
About to
guys.
give y'all a little something over to this.